Hello and welcome to the Integrated Media Center. I'm your host, Drake Greenstein, and I'm with Jessica Kelosky, the senior track athlete, and she's the female student athlete of the week. Jessica, very happy to have you here after you had a great week last week. You set a PR and also broke the Geneva 100 dash record, right?
Yes.
So we're happy to have you here. So first, can you just tell me, I know that you run a lot of events, so how does your coach and yourself, how do you decide on what events to run, considering you're a jack of all trades, you can cover different races?
Well, it typically goes by how I'm feeling. So if I'm feeling kind of tired and like it's been a hard week of training, like I won't run too much in a meet. But typically I only run like 1 to 2, maybe 3 races during the regular season, and then at PAX I'll run like 4 or 5 races. But really it's just based on how I feel and also if I need to better a time in a specific race.
And sometimes, the meets take hours on end. They can go all day, right?
Yeah.
Like, how do you stay? What do you do when you have a break between races to stay like loose or anything like that?
Well, usually I'll cool down after a race, and then I'll kind of just chill, just kind of hang out with people, maybe watch some other races or events that are going on, maybe do some homework. But really, it's a really long day, so we just kind of find ways to have fun and just relax, I guess.
Yeah, I can relate. I'm on a tennis team, yeah. And then, of course, this is the spring season, and it's, the weather is still pretty cold. How have you adjusted to being indoor season now? It's outdoor season. How do you adjust and cope with the weather, considering, it's still in the 30s and 40s?
Mm-hmm. Well, in indoor season, even though it is technically indoor, we don't have, we have the back gym, but we don't have a nice facility, like a nice track, indoor track like other schools do. So we're always outside usually, and so I'm used to cold weather by now. You just have to dress warmer and kind of just suck it up, really, because coach still sends us outside, which kind of stinks at times. But
yeah. And for those who don't know, Jessica is she's an elementary major, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you are a student teacher.
Yes.
How has the workload been this latter part of this semester?
Mm-hmm. It hasn't been too hard. I'm exhausted usually because I'm with kindergartners. But my coach is great. He works really well with me. Like, I sadly have to show up to practice late a lot of times because I don't get out until 4. But really, it's been okay.
Okay. And I'm not Chris Matthews, but I am going to cap off this interview with the Final 4. So I'm going to have 4 quick questions. Just give me your first response, and we'll go from there. All right. So, would you rather run in cold weather or warm weather?
Warm weather.
Okay. And your favorite junk food? Anything to like splurge on?
Oh, ice cream?
Okay. And your favorite class at your 4 years at Geneva? Your favorite class?
Oh, I loved all of my Spanish classes. Those are my favorites.
Okay. And now, since you're an education major and also a track athlete, would you rather hang out with your track teammates or your kindergarten students?
Ooh. Probably my teammates, because they're not as needy as my little kids, but I love both of them. So.
All right, well, thank you, Jessica, for coming on the show. I'm Drake Greenstein. This is your female student athlete of the week, Jessica Kelosky. Until next time, storm on.